Hello everyone, today I'll have a very useful video for those who use Telegram. Yes, that's right, that messenger app where you can make video calls, chat with friends, join groups, and so on. I think many people use Telegram but don't even realize that there are some default settings that might be undesirable for you. There are various hidden access permissions that allow you to use not only your main camera but also your front camera, even when you're not using video calls and even when the app is just sitting on your home screen without you even opening it. This, of course, directly impacts your privacy, so it's best to double-check and customize these hidden permissions for yourself. I don't think anyone would want someone else to be able to see them through the front camera without you even knowing about it. Of course, I'll tell you everything now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel and share with friends. So, the Messenger is actually quite popular. I use it too, and I set this up on every smartphone to at least prevent camera tracking. And of course, I advise you to double-check these settings too. To do this, you need to go to the app name. And by the way, many people will now say that I have camera access prohibited in my settings. That is, yes, there are such settings. When we press and hold on the app, click on the app information, and there are various permissions there. If we go here, you see that the camera is currently unavailable, that is, it's in the prohibited section. And many people will say that this is prohibited, which means that I don't have any access to the camera. But look what I'm going to show you next. Go to Telegram itself. Click on the Telegram app. Here on the left side, we have 3 bars. Click on them. And here we look for a gear wheel called Settings. Click on this line. Next, we're greeted by the usual menu. We need to scroll all the way to the bottom. Look, you can't scroll any further. And at the very bottom, it says Telegram, Android, and some version. For example, mine is version 12.01.1. But that doesn't matter. I'm just showing you this as an example. And look, if I click here quickly, then, of course, nothing happens. But there's a very tricky hidden menu here, which is located in Telegram. You need to access it in a completely different way. To do it, you need to click in the same way, only slowly, and you need to click 3 times. Look, you need to place your finger and press once, twice, and that should basically work. Sometimes you need to click a 3rd time, and you get to this secret menu. There. I think few people know about this menu. There are some very important features here that are specific to Telegram, and they can be enabled here and bypass the settings on your phone. Look, scroll down and find the dual camera option. It's essential to disable it because it simultaneously accesses both the main camera and your front camera. Here, tap this line. There. And we've disabled this dual camera. Now you can truly sleep soundly and use Telegram normally, without worrying about this app gaining unwanted access, even if you don't use Telegram for video calls or any other communication. No,